Class 11 gi physics course series ama horani aduna ozaro men haiba channel asibu subscribe like amadi share tobiyu karigumba doubt leragadi makada piriba Instagram asida personal message tobiro okona physics what is physics the physics is a branch of science which deals with basic laws of nature and various natural phenomena kona nature gi hidden principle mayam lay akoina science ta misimaru na kaigino haitadi to explore the hidden principle of the nature. Say for example, we have heard about tsunami, we have heard about earthquake, adagi akoigi lightning, natural phenomenon mayam lay haiba mayam jingche akoina explore tawna bani adugumba nature gi laws nainaba science adubo koina physics kawi. Physics ke tami haitadi light ki maramda tami, sound ki maramda tami, heat ki maramda, electric current ki, adagi atoms and molecules, the electronics ki. There are different branches of physics. Aduna ekoi class 11 ki angang sing hogalak padati physics aisi define to bosi isam chamna nature and natural laws si ki maramda nainabadumba branch of science to ni koina physics haisi se physical quantities akoina physical quantities haita agadi those quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly measured to weba adugumba quantity du physical quantity kawi se kodamona harda we can measure the length of a room. We can measure the height of a tree. We can measure the distance between earth and sun. See directly on ngambra. Haidiba koigi say length of a table, breadth of a table. See we can measure directly by using a meter scale. Again, we can measure the thickness of a glass slab. Yam pick but thickness am on by using screw gauge, slide caliper, the spirometer kind of noitongan by experiment. Mayam torkani class 11 da. However, directly measure to we have a quantity mayam lay, or we cannot measure directly. Say those quantities which is to be measured indirectly are also known as physical quantity. Say for example, we can measure the speed of light. We can measure the distance between earth and sun, earth and moon. We can measure the mass of the electron, charge carried by an electron. We have to measure it indirectly. Aduna those quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly are known as physical quantity. Physical quantity the makhan ani lay, makhan ani duty kaino haita the fundamental quantity haibama, derived quantity haibama. Fundamental quantity haita di kaino which can be treated as independent of other physical quantities. Haidi atopa quantity amagi mateng yaudana mathanda express to weba adugumba quantity to fundamental quantity kawe fundamental. There are 7 fundamental quantities. Makoi singa duti kaino mass, length, time, electric current, temperature, light, intensity, and amount of substance. These 7 quantities are known as fundamental quantity. And what is derived quantities? Derived quantities are those quantities which can be defined with the help of fundamental quantities. Say, for example, velocity. Velocity is a kind of haitadi. Velocity is a rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Here, displacement is length. Rate means time. So, velocity is expressed in terms of fundamental quantities, that is length divided by time. Sigumba akoina fundamental quantity ki mateng na express toba quantity adubu akoina derived quantity kawi. Say acceleration. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. So acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. So velocity by time. So velocity we can express by length by time. So akona acceleration is a akona with the help of fundamental quantity we can express acceleration.